Yes, students, good morning. Now today we are discuss about the matrices. Yesterday we have to define what is a matrix and find the order of matrix. Now today we have to find the types of matrix. Means मैट्रिक्स कितने टाइप्स की होती है हम उसके ऊपर डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज अ rectangular matrix. What is rectangular matrix? A rectangular matrix किस फॉर्म हो गया आपकी? ठीक है. Rectangular matrix means matrix who is the form of a rectangular. Rectangular it means row is not equal to the column. When the row is not equal to the column, that is called a rectangular matrix. Means you can find that here is a how many row? That is a 2 row and column is a 3. That type is called a rectangular matrix. Now second one is a square matrix. What is square matrix? A square matrix is called whose the row and column are equal. Means 2, 3, 4, 5. How many row? 2 row and 2 column. That is called the square matrix. Okay. Now third one is, first one is a rectangular matrix. Second is a square matrix. Now third one we can say it is a diagonal of matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements is just apply 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4 means diagonals are some values but that value are equal, that is called a diagonal matrix. Now next one is fourth is a scalar matrix. A scalar matrix whose the diagonals values are different and rest of the elements is 0 0 0, that is called a scalar matrix. Now next one is a null matrix. What is null matrix, or we can say what is zero matrix? It is called a zero matrix. It means a matrix whose all the elements are 0 0, that is called a null matrix or zero matrix. Okay. Now next one is a identity matrix. What is identity matrix? Identity matrix whose the diagonal value is only a 1 and the rest of the elements is 0, that is called a identity matrix. Like that, A 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. That is the diagonal value is always a 1 1, that is called a identity matrix. Okay. Only is a row 1 and column is 1 2 3, that is called a row matrix. Next one is a column matrix. What is column matrix? Means there is only a one column and different rows, that is called a column matrix. Here is only column is a 1 and row is 1 2 3, that is called a 3 cross 1 matrix, that is called a column matrix. Now next one is upper triangular matrices. Upper triangular matrices means a matrix A whose in the form of Aij and the value of Aij is equal to 0 and I is greater than j, that is called the upper triangular matrix. Like that, suppose a matrix A, that is the 1 2 3, then you can write here 4 0 6 0 0 3, that is the upper triangular. You can know that is a which form? In a triangular form. So we can say that is the upper triangular matrix where I is greater than j. Okay. Now next one is a lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix means a matrix whose A. Aij. You know that what is the Aij? That is the I is called a row and J is called a column. That value is 0 and I is less than J. That is called a lower triangular matrix. Now that is the examples of 0, 0, 0. Then you can write here 0, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. That is called a upper triangular matrix. You can write here any other value, that is a 9. Okay, that is called a upper triangular matrix. Okay, students. Now that is the different types of matrix. Okay. Now we have to find that the addition of matrices. What is? We can find that the addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, what is the addition and subtraction of matrices? Suppose that a matrix whose given that 2, 3, 4, 6. That is a A. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix, or we can say that is a square matrix. Okay, students. Now, second is value. The matrix B. That value is 6 minus 1, 2, 0. So we can find that the A plus B. How it is find that 2 plus 6. What is you can do? First row and second ka bhi first row. So 2 plus 6, then 3 plus minus 1, then 4 plus 2 and 6 plus 0. What value you can obtain? A plus B is equal to 8, 3, the plus minus minus, then you can get the 2, that is a 6 and it is also a 6. Then you can find that value is A plus B is equal to 8, 2, 6. That is the addition of matrices. Now we can find the subtraction. We can find A minus B. The value of A is given that. What is the value of A is given that? 2, 3, 4, 6. And the value of B is 6 minus 1, 2, 0. We can find the A minus B. What we can do? Yes. Now previous question we can do the addition. Here is do the minus, subtraction. 2 minus 6. 3, that is a minus and that is also a minus. Then 4 plus 2 and here is a 6. Sorry, that is a minus sign. We are using the subtraction. So 6 minus 0. So what is the A minus B? That is value at 2 minus 6. That is a minus 4. That is minus minus plus. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2 is a 6. Then the value of A minus B is equal to minus 4, 4, 2, 6. And the A plus B is equal to 8, 2, 6, 2. That is the addition of and subtraction of the matrices. Okay. Okay, students. Now we have to give another example. Suppose that two matrices whose x plus 3 is equal to 4 and y minus 4 and x plus y, that is the one matrix, is equal to the another matrix 5, 4, 3 and 9. Then you can find the value of x and y. What you can find that? The value of x and y. Okay, so there is a two matrices, both the matrices are equal because here is a 2 cross 2, that is also a 2 cross 2, both the elements are equal, so we can say that is a equal matrix. So now we have to compare that. That x plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, now next, that is 4 is equal to 4 and then y minus 4 is equal to, that value is 3, and next is x plus, next equation is x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, students. Now that is equation we have given to equation 1, that is equation 2, that is equation 3, and that value is a 4. So 4 is always equal to 4. There is no doubt. So first, why using the first equation from equation first? What is value? X plus 3 is equal to 5. We can find x is equal to, that is a plus sign. We do the transfer. What is the plus is converted to the minus. Good. So x is equal to 2. You can find the value of x. X is equal to 2. Now we are taking the from equation. Second equation second is y minus 4 is equal to 3. So we can take y minus 4 is equal to 3. Then the value of y is equal to 3 plus 4. That is the value of 7. So now we have to calculate the value of x and y according to their question. In this case, we can find that value are correct or not correct. So we have to check that. How to check that? Yes, by taking the from equation third. What is equation third? X plus y is equal to 9. Means the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 7 is equal to 9. So 9 is equal to 9. Both the values are satisfied. That equation, it means the matrices is equal. Yes, we can do that. Why we do? Because there are two equal matrix. Means यहाँ पे सब values उसकी आपस में equal होंगे और एक दूसरे को satisfy करेंगे. Okay students? Okay. Now we have to come to the another examples. Another example. Here is also we can find the value of x and y. Here is given 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 and 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 2, 2, 1 and minus 1. Okay students, now look at that. Here is a something different. यहाँ पे x और y की वैल्यू आपको मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में दी गई थी. यहाँ पे आपको इक्वेशन फॉर्म में दिया है x 2x plus 3y, ये मैट्रिक्स की वैल्यू दी गई और सेकंड ये 3x plus 2y यहाँ पे आपकी मैट्रिक्स के फॉर्म में दी गई. तो आपको किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करना है? यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x and y. हाउ टू इट इज सॉल्व दैट? यस, कुछ याद आया? 10th या 11th में आपने पढ़ा था कि दो इक्वेशन हो गए आपके, लीनियर इक्वेशन हो गए. इनको हमें इक्वल करना तो क्या करेंगे? उनके वेरिएबल्स को हम इक्वल करेंगे. इक्वल वेरिएबल करने की मीन्स यदि यहाँ पे 2 है तो यहाँ पे दी 6 आ जाए और यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 6 है तो बोलते हैं कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. एक ये ऑप्शन, या यहाँ पे हम 6 लेके आए और यहाँ पे 6 लेके आए तो दोनों आपके 6 हो जाएंगे तो कैंसिल आपको x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. आप जो करना चाहें वो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम ट्राई करते हैं. पहले हम इक्वेशन 1 मतलब फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 is multiply by 2 and equation 2 is multiply by 3. Why we do? Because 2 3s are 6 and here is a 2 3s are 6. Both the values are 6. आप यहाँ पे भी एक कर सकते हैं, 3 का कर सकते हैं, यहाँ 2 का कर सकते हैं. आपकी वैल्यूज आपस में इक्वल आ जाएंगी. तो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 is multiply by 2. इक्वेशन means we can multiply by 2. तो 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y. ओके, ये तो आपने किया. अब इस 2 का मल्टीप्लाई आपके मैट्रिक्स में भी होगा. मैट्रिक्स क्या क्या बने? 2 2 जा यहाँ भी 4 हो गया, 3 2 जा 6, 4 2 जा 8 and 2 0 जा 0. That is another equation. That is the equation third. Now equation second, 3x plus 2y. We can do the multiply is 3. So okay, 3 3 जा 9x, 3 2 जा 6y is equal to वैल्यू अभी 3 का मल्टीप्लाई मैट्रिक्स में होगा. 3 2 जा अगेन -6, 3 2 जा 6, देन यहाँ भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा, कितना आ गया 3 and 5 3 जा -15. स्टूडेंट्स एनी डाउट? नो. ओके, क्या किया अपन ने? इक्वेशन सेकंड था उसमें हमने 2 का मल्टीप्लाई किया, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में 2 का और इक्वेशन सेकंड में हमने 3 का मल्टीप्लाई किया. क्यों किया? क्योंकि हमें वेरिएबल या तो x वाले इक्वल कर लो या y वाले इक्वल कर. अब देख रहे हैं यहाँ भी 6y, यहाँ भी 6y आ गया. तो नाउ इक्वेशन 1 is subtract from to the second. It means that is a minus sign. Here is also a minus sign. 4x plus 9y. What we can obtain? Minus 5x. Both 6y are cancel out. Then यहां पे हम क्या करेंगे? अभी हमने आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन बताया था प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस में. तो देखिए 4 and we are using a minus sign. So that minus and that minus is converted into plus. That 6 and the minus, it is also a minus. It is that value is 4 and we can using the minus. Why? Because do the subtract. 8 minus 3. Okay. Then 0 is a minus and that is a minus. Both the minus is plus. Okay students, any doubt? I think कोई doubt नहीं होना चाहिए. Simple है ये. 4 plus 6 what value? 10. 6 6 0. That is also a 5 and that is value is a 15. We have to divide that value by the 5. Means the value of x is equal to, we have to divide -5 means 10 upon -5, 0 upon -5, 5 upon -5 and 15 upon -5. It means that is we can find the value is -2, 0, that is value is -1 and that is value is -3. That the value of x. What is the value of x? X is equal to -2, 0, -1, -3. That is the value of x. Now we can find the value of y. Okay. Now Okay, now we can find the value of x is equal to -2, 0, -1 and -3. Okay, आपके पास दो इक्वेशन, you have two equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 and 3x plus 2y is equal to that. So now we are taking the one equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0, keeping the value of x, that is the value of x. Now we can get the value of y is equal to -2, 1, 2, 2. Okay students, बाकी हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.